Hello, and welcome to McLaren. Today we will talk about our hydraulic angle broom. These come in one of four styles, 84-inch and a 92-inch, with all poly bristle or poly wire mix. Once you receive your item, you will observe that there is no assembly required. Simply mount the attachment to your machine and use the quick connect coupler with wiring harness to begin full operating capabilities. You will notice that the hydraulic angle broom comes with adjustable legs on the right and left side of the attachment. These will be adjusted to the last pin hole when operating. You will adjust them to the top pin hole prior to disconnecting from your machine to ensure no damage to your bristles when not in use. The hydraulic main lines will control your angle left and right, as well as your bristles rotation. The wiring harness will enable you to switch between these two functions. Now that you have a clear understanding of your hydraulic angle broom, go McLaren, go extreme.